Hello. You need to prepare some cables and adapters as follows. If using a standard HDMI cable, you need an adapter like this. HDMI to mini HDMI. Next is an HDMI video capture device. Use it to connect the other end of the HDMI cable to your phone. You connect them together as follows. In the description I suggest a device option with lower resolution and lower cost for you. On the phone you install an application called NX Camera. There are a few other alternative applications like USB camera. Here I connect the Raspberry Pi to the power supply. Connect to the phone. Wait a moment. Allow HDMI video capture to work on the phone. The phone works like a small screen. While waiting for the Raspberry Pi to boot, I connect the mouse to it. Done. Thanks for watching. Good luck.